All right, class. Let me stand over here. All right. Again, sorry for the bad lighting. Actually, let's see what we can do about that. Okay, that's a little better. Smudge on my monitor here. Yeah. All right. Um, okay, so this is a sub day for April 24th. I'm off on a personal day doing some personal stuff. Um, as always, no guests and no passes to the classrooms. I know it is hot as blank in here. We got a box fan by one of the doors that we could turn on. Um, Please, even though the door's probably going to be unlocked because of that, do not let kids in the library come in and hang out in the classroom. Even though all the equipment's locked up, there's still some stands and things that do not need to be touched and might hurt somebody if they're messed around with. So please keep the, riffraff or anybody else that's not riffraff from coming in. If somebody needs to come in and do something on a computer, I don't think I know anybody that needs to come in, but if they want to come in and do some work on a PC, do some studying for an exam or something that they need the PC for, that's perfectly acceptable. If they're just here to socialize, just send them on their way. There's a state law prohibiting the use of cell phones in the classroom. If they're not in the lesson plan, and they're not in my lesson plan, so feel free to enforce this as strict as you'd like. The phone pockets are hanging on the side over there, so feel free to make students use it. All right, start off advisory. Students live stream our morning news program. We're going to have a few students absent because of field trips and the play and other stuff going on. So please encourage them to get the news running. A librarian or admin will be able to unlock that. All right, A1 is a broadcast journalism class. Seniors and some juniors that have already passed certification are working on news content for the morning news, so video content for the morning news. There's a lot of juniors in the class that still need to pass their certification. I talked to each one individually. They have a few days left of using class time for practice exams. So please encourage them to use their time wisely because we're going to move on. And then it's going to be hard for them to practice for their exam. Same thing with the A2 class. Most of them have not passed the certification exam. The last few that haven't taken it are going to test on Monday, and a few people will retake on Monday. Yeah, so the A2 class, they are doing that G-Metrics test prep, the whole block. And film production, that is the A3 class. That's what I have on the side over here. And how are we doing on time? It's not too bad. Okay. We are on the documentary module here. This class has a ed puzzle, about how to use a 3-act story structure in documentaries. And then this is new. They don't know this one's coming, this class. The prompt for their documentary is North Star. So we talked about it last class. So this is a written assignment. They need to tell me what the prompt means to them. Then they're going to outline their story idea for their documentary with a beginning, middle, and end. Tell me who they're going to interview for their documentary and what B-roll they expect to use. Okay. So bottom here, I said, please submit a text document. They can work on this collaboratively, up to 3 members for the kids that are sectioned in the Video Studio Fundamentals class, or 6 people that are, if teams of up to 6 scheduled in the dual credit class. So that should be on your roster. You'll know who's 6, who can be in a group of 6 and who's in a group of 3. All right, so then we move on to 4th block here, and that's a planning block. So hopefully you get to enjoy the rest of the Friday as a substitute, and students go enjoy your 4th block. Thanks a lot. Have a great